Hi, I'm Chloe, and I'm here to introduce you to Cricut Explore 4, the next generation of our most popular smart cutting machine. Whether you're just starting out or ready to take your creativity to the next level, Cricut Explore 4 is designed to help you bring your ideas to life, quickly and beautifully. So, what makes Cricut Explore 4 special? It's up to 2 times faster than the previous model, so you can get more done in less time. It's also big enough to tackle large, impressive projects like this one. You can even make in multiples and create a whole set. This machine works with our most popular materials like vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, and more. It's perfect for making everyday projects, personalized gifts, party decor, and custom home decor. It doesn't just cut, it can write and draw, create fold lines for cards and 3D projects, and even add foiled accents to make your designs really shine. So when you want to make a quick vinyl decal, personalized shirt, intricate paper craft, decorations for a special occasion, Cricut Explore 4 is ready to help make your vision come to life. Like all Cricut machines, Cricut Explore 4 works with our free app Design Space. You can use it on your phone, tablet, or computer and connect your machine via Bluetooth or USB. Here's how it works. Choose a ready-to-make project, upload your own design, or create something from scratch. Pick your material, load it into your machine, and let your machine do the rest. Then put your project together, and there you have it, something completely your own. Here are some of our favorite real-life projects you can make with Cricut Explore 4. These fun vinyl stickers and labels for organizing, like these made by Paige. Iron-on designs to press onto baby clothes and create unique gifts, like this super cute top made by Chloe. Mirror decals to elevate your home decor, like these made by Kate. Handmade cards like this pop-up one made by Elmia. And super cute classroom decor like this door hanger made by Miss Jamaica. The best part? You can make your projects exactly how you want, totally one of a kind and without spending a ton or waiting for your item to ship. One of the best ways to make the most of your machine is to purchase a bundle. Not only will this save you money, but it takes the guesswork out of getting started, since you'll get a variety of materials, tools, and card making supplies with your machine. You can start playing around with different materials and making different projects right out of the box. If you're excited by the idea of creating custom, personalized projects, and you love working with popular materials like vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, and more, you'll love what you can make with Cricut Explore 4. Check out the links below for tutorials, tips, and tons of projects inspiration to get started. Thanks for watching and happy crafting with Cricut Explore 4.